नमस्कार, मैं हूं प्रोफेसर जेता और आप देख रहे हैं बुंदेलखंड एक्सप्रेस। साथ में आप हमें सुन पा रहे हैं स्टाइल रेडियो 90.4 एफएम चैनल पर भी। हर सप्ताह हम आपके बीच एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ और कुछ गणमान्य नागरिकों के साथ मिलकर डिस्कशन करते हैं किसी महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर। आज का विषय ऐसा ही एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण विषय है जिसे कहते हैं स्किल डेवलपमेंट। बचपन में हमने सुना था एक कहावत और अक्सर कहा जाता था कि पढ़ोगे लिखोगे होगे नवाब और खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। लेकिन संभाव आज के जमाने में ऐसी धारणा बिल्कुल पलट सी गई है। नाउ ये कहते हैं कि आजकल आप पढ़ाई लिखाई पे जितना ध्यान दे उतना ही ध्यान अपने किसी स्किल पे दे, बिकॉज स्किल इज गोइंग टू पे यू इन फ्यूचर। Skill is something which must be present in your personality. It's not purely a bookworm person. You don't have to be a bookworm person. At the same time, you have to develop one of your hobbies, one of your skills that will lead you to a successful life in future. So कहीं ना कहीं हमारे में कोई ना कोई ऐसा गुण, कोई ऐसा पैशन, कोई ऐसी हॉबी, कोई ऐसा स्किल हमारे अंदर होना चाहिए। ये स्किल कविताओं लिखने का, बोलने का, पढ़ने का या कोई भी ऐसी गेम्स में आप आगे निकल सको। तो आज इसी स्किल डेवलपमेंट पे हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं और देखते हैं कि यहाँ पर बैठे प्लेटफॉर्म पे जितने बच्चे हैं वो कितना स्किल डेवलपमेंट कर पाए। लेकिन हमारे साथ आज एक एक्सपर्ट है और सबसे पहले हम एक्सपर्ट की ओर चलेंगे और उसके बाद मनीष की ओर। पहले हम फाइनल एक एक्सपर्ट कमेंट लेंगे। तो एक्सपर्ट के रूप में आज हमारे पास अतुल चौबे हैं। आप सभी परिचित हो इनसे। एक बहुत प्रमुख और सफल शिक्षक, आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के बहुत योग्य शिक्षक और कई प्रकार की चीजें इन्होंने अपने स्किल्स में डेवलप की है जो आज दमों और दमों के बाहर बच्चों को ये प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। सो सबसे पहले हम चलते हैं अतुल चौबे की ओर और जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि इस नए व्यवस्था में स्किल डेवलपमेंट कितना जरूरी है। अतुल।
Thank you, sir. As a teacher, what I am observing nowadays that skill development is very important. I want to connect this topic with the future of the students or the career of the students. Nowadays in school, one career mela is going on, and day before yesterday, Professor Rajesh came from NIT Bhopal, and he showed his presentation, and that was very surprising. I came to know about some facts that white collars jobs have decreased 50%. It means by getting your traditional degrees, by doing BA, MA, BSc, MSc, BCom, MCom, you can't get job, you can't get employment. So it is very good if you have some skills, if you can do something new, you can get, you have developed some abilities in your personality, in your career, then you can get better.
Okay. This is what is very, very important. You have just listened to him that what he said is that to do a plain BA, MA, it's important, it's good, but not all that fruitful. Because at the same time, you have to develop one of your skills which will lead you to your successful life. Once you want to get a job or you want to stay put in a job, you want to excel in a job, you have to develop skills. Now, skill development has become a new key. Let's switch over to Manish and see what Manish has to speak on skill development.
Sir, I think skill development is very important these days because traditional study, whatever is going on, somewhere or the other, it is good for theoretical knowledge. But if we want to do competition on international level, then definitely skill development is very important. Like these days, robotic science, these days AI is there, drone activity is there. So I think if anybody wants to make their career, so I think this kind of activity is very important because whether it's a defense sector, whether it's a corporate sector, any other kind of manufacturing sector, I think skill development is very, very important. And without skill, no one can survive in job. Maybe people can get job, but survivability is concerned. So your practical knowledge, your skill is very important, sir.
Atul, as Manish mentions that there are new job openings, and all these new job openings are based on, some of them are based on internet, like you have to learn AI.
Yeah.
Now AI also you have to be skilled to handle AI. Do you not think that the children should learn new skills in a proper way, or we should have a proper teacher to teach them new skills?
very true, sir. Because definitely AI is new future for this world. But what is going on? What you said that there should be proper teaching of AI, especially for students, especially for teenagers, because nowadays we are observing that there is so much misuse of AI, and childrens, they don't know what wrong can be done with them, and they are using AI without proper teaching. So I think for AI there should be proper teaching, proper guidance, and they should students should know what is good in AI and what can be bad in AI.
Okay, so this is the way we should develop our educational apparatus. You see, the educational apparatus long time back was based on plain simple subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, maths, all these subjects. But now a variety of new subjects as per the requirement of the time has to be introduced. If new subjects are introduced, then students are going to develop their skills. So skill in some way, it's very, very important. We have many people on the platform today who would be sharing their views on skill. So first we switch over to Bhumi and let's see what Bhumi has to speak on skill development.
So the skill development is the ability to do something well, like coding, communicating, cooking. The skill development also help us in facing the challenges, getting better opportunities, and to go better.
ओके मनीष, एक शब्द आया अभी भूमि ने जिक्र किया, मैं इस पे आपसे चर्चा करना चाहूंगा. स्किल डेवलपमेंट में कोडिंग वोडिंग, कुकिंग इज आल्सो वन ऑफ दिस. वुड यू लाइक टू थ्रो सम लाइट ऑन कुकिंग?
Yes, sir. In the hotel management, I think cook play a very important role. Like we have, cook like Sanjeev Kapoor, who have, millions of rupees, and they have huge property. They have made everything by cooking. So I think if good chef is there, then definitely they will get good job. Because different kind of job have their different kind of requirement, and if anybody on that level they have learned cooking, so definitely they will get good job. Not only in India, otherwise overseas they can get good job, and they can earn enough money and respect also, sir.
We'll take a fast comment from Atul on this also. Atul, बहुत पहले ऐसा होता था कि बहुत सारे ऐसे स्किल्स होते थे जिसको लोग नेगेटिव मानते थे, जैसे खाना बनाना वगैरह, लेकिन अब उसको एक मॉडर्न करेंसी के रूप में देखा जाने लगा.
Yes, sir, it is happening because when Manish sir was saying, then I was thinking about my wife. So there are in YouTube's there are many YouTubers. They just give their recipes, and people are watching the videos, and YouTubers are earning money. So their recipes has become the tool for earning money. So I think nowadays, definitely in this world of social media, cooking and making crafts and all these things had become the mode of employment.
So never feel ashamed or afraid of doing anything. All the things which you learn are part of skill. So once you learn the skill, you start making money also, and there's nothing wrong about it. We have Rini on the platform. Let's see what Rini has to speak on it. Skill development.
Sir, degree mainly focus on theoretical knowledge, but skills focus on practical application. Sir, a person may have an engineering degree, but without problem solving skills, that degree is incomplete.
This is what is very, very important. I'll stop you short here and I'll say that to get an engineering degree is important, but once you start working on model making or practical learning, it becomes very, very important. Similarly, if you are a doctor, if you don't practice, then all this degree is waste. We have one more person here. We'll try to take comment from Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, what is your view on skill development?
Skill development is a process of learning new things, new abilities, and new habits, and it also builds confidence inside us.
Okay, so this is a confidence building exercise also. Manish, what is your comment on it? Confidence building exercise.
Yes, it is also very important because without confidence, no one can survive in any field. So I think if anybody is teaching this kind of process, that how to develop your confidence, then definitely it is one of the good thing. But I think that by practice, by doing hard work, people can earn confidence. Like you have told about cooking. So one of my friends, she belongs from America, and she makes this kind of social media site on which she posted different kind of recipe, and she got too many prizes and too many
Name
money.
her.
Yeah.
Name
So-
her.
So I think that I think Kawaljeet Gandhi, she's also from this class, and she's in America, and she's running Kawaljeet Kitchen, and by this she's earning too many prizes, too many what we can say name, fame, and money also. So I think
दिस
it
इज
could be also
दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आपकी किताबों में जो लिखी गई चीजें हैं उनको कैसे आप अपने प्रैक्टिकल जीवन में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं। एक बार जब अपने प्रैक्टिकल जीवन में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं और उस पर आप रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो अपने स्किल को डेवलप करते हैं। जैसे जैसे आपके स्किल, आपके अंदर गुणवत्ता डेवलप होती है, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होता है, और जब कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होता है तो आप फिर दुनिया को जीतते हैं। जैसा कि मनीष ने अभी जिक्र किया कि ऐसे लोग जो लोग प्योरली अपने स्किल को डेवलप करके आज बहुत ऊंचे मुकाम पे पहुंच चुके हैं, जिसमें से कि एक नाम कमलजीत का भी लिया मनीष ने। प्रिया, आप जब गाना गाते हो या आप जब ड्राइंग करते हो तो दूसरों से अलग होते हो आप क्या? ऐसा लगता है कि आपको अप्रिशिएशन मिल रहा है?
Yes.
You get appreciation. Okay, we'll come back to you once again, and let's see what Sonam has to speak on skill development.
So I want to conclude that skill development is not an option; it is necessity. Nowadays, in a world, technology, industry, and job are growing at a very fast pace. So what is truly matters is static knowledge is not enough. What truly matter is we have good skills and we have knowledge how to apply our skill in right way.
Okay, we'll take a comment from Atul sir on this. What Sonam says is skill development is not an option anymore. It is a necessity. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने बचपन में जब थे तो कभी गाना सीख लिया, कभी डांस सीख लिया, अब ये अनिवार्य हो गया है। Yes, Atul, your comment.
ट्रू सर। आज का जो जीवन है, आज का जो संसार है, वहां पर यू कांट survive without any unique skill. You must have any unique skill. Just including your education. आपकी education के साथ साथ आपके अंदर कोई ना कोई skill होना बहुत जरूरी है. Then you can make your own identity.
इनफैक्ट मैं ये समझता हूँ कि एजुकेशन में भी यदि आपके टीचिंग स्किल आ गया
Very good.
तो यू बिकम ए गुड टीचर। अदरवाइज एवरीबडी गेट्स एजुकेशन बट ही और शी डज नॉट बिकम ए गुड टीचर। टू बिकम ए गुड टीचर यू हैव टू डेवलप दैट स्किल ऑफ टीचिंग।
Yes, sir. I think that as far as my field is concerned, like news and television, and we need news sense. There are too many journalists there, but they do not have news sense. If somebody do not have news sense, they can't survive as a journalist. So I think that every field have their own sense. Every field have their own touch. Sometimes people say it's a God gifted. Sometimes people come by practice. But that touch and that X factor is play very important role.
That X factor plays a very important role, and here what we'll again switch over to Atul and we'll try to know. अतुल, सारे फील्ड्स हैं, आपकी राजनीति है, खेल है, पढ़ाई है, बिजनेस है, लेकिन सबके अंदर एक स्किल है जो आपको टॉप पे पहुंचाता है।
बिल्कुल सर, इट इज ट्रू। हर फील्ड में आपके अंदर कोई ना कोई स्किल होनी चाहिए। जैसे मनीष सर ने अभी बताया कि देयर आर सो मेनी जर्नलिस्ट, बट टॉप जर्नलिस्ट हैव समथिंग डिफरेंट।
Yeah.
And the X factor is there. Because there are so many journalists, there are so many teachers. But if you become favorite teacher of your student, then you must have something unique.
Unique, different from others. We'll switch over to Hari and let's see what Hari has to speak on this whole question of skill development.
Sir, skill development is the most important key in our life. If you want to do anything, if you have a knowledge of theoretical knowledge and some other knowledge also, but if we get job, and after that also we will have to learn any one skills for going on that work also. And sir, there also have several examples where Manish sir has mentioned. If we have good knowledge, but without education also, if we have good skills, so we can grow our name and we can develop everything in our life also. Like I have also example in America. She has studied in till 8th standard. After that, he have hobby to making aircraft, and after that she has dropped their study and she have work on making craft, and she gets success. And after that he complete their 12th and graduation.
ट्रू। मैं अपने दर्शकों को, बुंदेलखंड एक्सप्रेस के दर्शकों को और स्टाइल रेडियो 90.4 एफएम चैनल के श्रोताओं को ये बताना चाहूंगा कि ये सारे डिबेट्स जो होते हैं ये सिर्फ डिबेट के नाम पर नहीं होते, बल्कि इससे हम बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं। और सबसे अच्छी चीज इस डिबेट की ये है कि वी हैव ए राइट टू एक्सप्रेस, वी लर्न हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस इन हिंदी और इन इंग्लिश। हम अपने बातों को लोगों तक लाते हैं और अपनी बात रखते हैं। आप हमसे सहमत हो सकते हैं, आप हमसे असहमत हो सकते हैं, लेकिन व्हाट वी लर्न इज ए न्यू स्किल ऑफ स्पीकिंग, बिकॉज अंटिल यू learn this skill of speaking you are not going to survive in your life in for future। साथ में हमारे पास कुछ ऑनलाइन दर्शक और श्रोता भी मौजूद है जो इस प्रोग्राम को रेगुलर देखते हैं। इस पूरे प्रदेश के अलग अलग हिस्सों से वो होते हैं, हम उन्हें भी सुनेंगे क्योंकि वो साथ साथ में अपना वीडियोस और अपनी बातें भी शेयर करते हैं। तो चलिए हम अपने ऑनलाइन दर्शकों और श्रोताओं से सुने वो क्या कहना चाहते हैं।
My name is Kanak Khare. I am speaking from Baksaha. Today my debate topic is skill development. Regarding this topic, skill development, so apart from academic education, skill development also plays a very crucial role in human life, and it is also very essential. Different people have their different skills in different areas, and there are the many benefits of skill development. If we improve our skill development, then it can open a various path in our future for us. Skill development is also important in various ways. It can increase our confidence, and by improving the skill development, we can become the top-notch personality. It also facilitates our life very easy, and it is also important that if we improve our skill, then it also help us to achieve our future goals in the life.
I am Kanchan Khare. I am speaking from Baksaha, and today my debate topic is skill development. As far as this topic is concerned, skill development, so we see that in this era skill plays a very crucial role. If the students they have a good skill, then they have a good job opportunities and they have a good career options in their life. Skill plays a very pivotal role in our life. If the students they have a good skills, then they can do better in their life. Nowadays we see that most of the students they just study their academic educations, they are running behind the academic knowledge and they want only result. But I think that if the students they have a good skill, then they have a good career opportunities and they can really do better in their life, because if we have a good skills, then it just not only provides us good opportunity, but by having a good skills we can become a cynosure personality and we will become cut above the rest.
My name is Nishta Jain. I am speaking from Bhopal, and the today debate topic is skill development. By Robert Greene, the future belongs to those who learn more skills and make them in creative ways. Yes, I talk about skill development. Nowadays, skill development is very crucial for you and your future, because you see our surrounding that lots of people who do not more do study, but by his skill they do very good work in any field and they do very creative work in any field, because your skills is very crucial for you, because by your skills you do any work, because there are lots of skills, and if you are very good in any one skills and if you have any one skills, you do very good work in any field and in any place. If we can say about there are lots of skills, sometimes cognitive and analytical skills that are able to problem solve it, communicate with pupils, and other types of things which are related to cognitive and analytical skills. If we can say about digital and technical skills, you are able to find that you have lots of knowledge about digital tools, and sometimes database knowledge are going on with digital skills. So if you have this type of skills, you have this type of knowledge. If we can say about communication skills play a very crucial role in your future and with your present.
हम लोग अभी बात कर रहे थे स्किल डेवलपमेंट की, और अभी जैसा कि आपने देखा कि यहाँ इस मंच पर कई लोग मौजूद हैं। हमारे पास एक्सपर्ट हैं अतुल चौबे, हमारे पास एक और एक्सपर्ट है जो रेगुलर हमारे इस डिबेट में होते हैं, मनीष सोनी, और हम लोग अपनी बात स्टूडेंट्स के साथ मिलकर रखना चाहते हैं इस स्किल डेवलपमेंट पे। इसी बात को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हम चलते हैं रेनी की ओर और जानने की कोशिश करते हैं रेनी किस प्रकार के स्किल्स बच्चों को डेवलप करने चाहिए।
सर यदि आप कोई भी डिग्री कंप्लीट कर रहे हो सर उस डिग्री के साथ साथ आपको उस चीज का नॉलेज भी होना चाहिए कि आप उसको कितने अच्छे से प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। सर यदि आपके पास मैनेजमेंट डिग्री है तो आप उसको कम्युनिकेशन से और लीडरशिप से आपसे कैसे
ट्रू ट्रू। प्रिया, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, कई बार हम बच्चे जो होते हैं वो स्किल्स डेवलप करते हैं, कोई भी एक स्किल, लेकिन उसको लोग नेगेटिवली डांट भी पड़ जाती है, ऐसा भी होता है घर परिवार पड़ोस में कहीं होता है, तो उनके बावजूद हम अपना स्किल कैसे डेवलप करें? यदि आपने कोई स्किल डेवलप किया और उस स्किल को डेवलप करने के लिए आपको क्या क्या करना पड़ता है? What all do you do to develop your skill? Do you practice it regularly?
Yes, I practice it regularly and by hiding my
ट्रू। अतुल, ये एक बहुत कॉमन सी चीज बच्चों में देखी जाती है कि आज भी एक जनरेशन ऊपर लोग हमारे स्किल को अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर पाते हैं और हमें हाइड करना पड़ता है। जैसे कविताएं लिखने का शौक है तो चोरी छुपे लिखेंगे कविताएं, ये आगे चलकर आपको कोई बहुत बड़े कवि और लेखक बना सकते हैं। बट व्हाई इज इट सो दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स वी हाइड आवर स्किल्स?
ओके सर, जो आपने बात शुरू में की थी कि जो हमारी या हमसे पहले की जो जनरेशन है उसका माइंडसेट वो है कि पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। दैट इज व्हाई इफ नाउअडेज कोई बच्चे जब कुछ नई स्किल कुछ करते हैं तो उनके दिमाग में वही रहता है कि स्टूडेंट्स बच्चों को जो है पढ़ना चाहिए,
सिर्फ पढ़ना चाहिए।
दैट इज
सिर्फ इज इम्पोर्टेंट, सिर्फ पढ़ना चाहिए। मनीष, ऐसा क्या अब जरूरी है कि बच्चों को सिर्फ पढ़ना चाहिए?
सर मुझे याद है जब हम लोग बचपन में क्रिकेट के मैदान में खेलने जाते थे और कई बार बिना बताए घर में जाते थे, जब लौट के आते थे तो वो स्टंप और बैट हम लोग के ऊपर इस्तेमाल होते थे। लेकिन आज के दौर में सब देखा है कि बच्चों को माँ बाप खुद लेके जाते हैं अकेडमी में, उनका एडमिशन कराते हैं, उनको क्रिकेट खिलाते हैं, उनको पता है कि अगर बच्चा अच्छा निकल गया क्रिकेट में तो IPL जैसे गेम है जहाँ पे नेम फेम मनी सब कुछ है। आई थिंक दैट ग्लैमराइजेशन ऑफ फील्ड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। At that time, education was glamorized, and government job was glamorized. But these days, different kind of work is there. Like there's a filmmaking, there's acting, there's a cricket, there's a cooking. There's a different kind of field is there where people can get name, fame, and money, and people can live the very successful life. That's why these days skill development is very important.
Vaishnavi, you have must be having lot of pressure of your studies, homework, schools, and at home you have to study. Among all these things, how do you develop your skill?
Sir, I develop my skill with playing piano and guitar because I play piano. It calms my mind, and when we use both the hands to play piano, it strengthens our mind.
Okay, so do you think it is important for everybody to develop one or other skill?
Yes, sir, it is important because if a student scores 75% and they have skills, so that person is more successful than a topper also.
True, very good. This is what is real understanding. While being a kid, you have this understanding of importance of skill. Bhumi, do you understand the importance of skill in your life?
यस सर, स्किल्स बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट रहती है कि जैसे यदि बच्चे को सिर्फ है ना एकेडमिक प्रेशर रहता है तो उसको एंजाइटी एंड डिप्रेशन हो सकता है। तो आई थिंक देयर शुड बी बैलेंस ऑफ बोथ स्किल्स एंड एकेडमिक्स।
सोनम, अभी एक बात कही भूमि ने कि स्किल डेवलपमेंट हमारे एंजाइटी और प्रेशर को भी कम करता है।
यस सर।
इस पे कोई कमेंट?
Yes, sir. Because when we follow skill development as our interest, so it may overcome our anxiety and overthinking and all these things. So, sir, real goal of skill development is to innovate thinkers and innovators, not to produce workers for today.
Very true, very true. And Hari, there is one question to you. Do you think cooking is a good skill development? Because it takes time. You learn lot of things. You prepare and produce something which is important in society to keep the kids and people away from bad food. So do you think cooking is a good skill development?
Yes, sir. Cooking is a good skill, sir. From where I belong, sir, Blaze, and there people thinks if a man cook food, so they thinks man cooking food like he is a woman. So they have that type of thinking. But when I have come to Damo and I have start start developing my hobby. So I learned I prefer cooking, and after that gradually I cooked. I learned to how to cook good food, and now I'm cooking. I'm not saying, but somebody also say you are cooking good things, whatever you cook.
Okay, to end this part of debate today, we'll take a final comment from Atul Chaubey sir, and let's see what Atul has to speak on skill development for students.
Sir, skill development is very important because I want to add one thing that for a complete development of our personality, we must have skills, because it is scientific that we have two parts of our brain, left brain and right brain. Left brain is logical brain. Whatever we study in education works on our left brain. But for activation of right brain, that is for creativity, we must have some skills like singing, dancing. If we have some skills, we are engaged in some activities, then our right brain activates. And proper development of personality, both brains should work together. So I think students
Skill
must
development have.
skills.
Manish, your final comment on skill development.
I think, sir, I would like to speak to all our audience that skill development is very important. And these days, I think education is also important. But if anybody have any quality, if anybody is extraordinary in any field, then definitely we have to push, them to go, in this field, because these days the meaning of success have changed. Not only earning money is, success. Earning name, earning fame, earning, better life, earning, better society, better company is also kind of a success. So if anybody, any students want to go in any, different field and they want to develop their skill, so never stop them, just only appreciate them.
इस बात को हमेशा हम ध्यान रखें कि एक शिक्षक होना सफल होना नहीं होता, एक डॉक्टर, एक इंजीनियर, एक आईएएस होना सफल होना नहीं होता, बल्कि एक अच्छा टीचर होना सफल होता है। एक अच्छे डॉक्टर का हमेशा नाम होता है, एक अच्छे इंजीनियर को लोग हमेशा याद करते हैं, एक अच्छा एक्टर हमेशा लोगों की नजर में रहता है। यहाँ पर ये जो अच्छा होने वाली बात है, यह है स्किल डेवलपमेंट। सभी टीचर्स होते हैं, सभी डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, लेकिन उनमें एक या दो बहुत अच्छा होता है। तो कहीं ना कहीं आपके अंदर एक स्किल डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए। तो मैं खासकर जितने पेरेंट्स हैं उनसे मैं ये गुजारिश करूंगा कि बच्चों में कोई ना कोई स्किल को पहचानें, क्योंकि सब में कोई ना कोई एक स्किल होता है। उसे जितनी अर्ली आप पहचान सकें और उसे पॉलिश करने की कोशिश करें, ताकि एक समय के बाद वो उसमें काफी एक्सेल कर सके। एंड वंस kids excel in one of the skills, they are going to be very very comfortable in life. तो इस तरह से आज का डिबेट हम यहीं समाप्त करते हैं, ये कहते हुए कि हमारे अंदर स्किल डेवलपमेंट बहुत जरूरी है, इस पर ध्यान दें और इसको डेवलप करें। हम फिर अगले सप्ताह एक नए विषय के साथ आपके सामने आएंगे और आपसे मिलते हैं। तब तक के लिए हमें आज्ञा दीजिए। धन्यवाद।